Hey, it's Alex. Recently, I created a thread on the Drummerworld discussion forum asking, what is the foundation of drumming technique? I was grateful to receive many responses, and I think it shows that drummers are interested in this question. And we all want a solid foundation in drumming technique, but it is not always clear on how to get it. I would like to present evidence for my answer to this question, which is the single stroke is the foundation of all drumming technique. And what I mean by the single stroke is the way the arm moves when striking a drum. I'm not talking about the motion in the grip, which occurs between the hand and fingers. I'm simply speaking about the arm stroke. So, if I can hold the stick firmly and eliminate the motion in the grip, I can perform just this fundamental single stroke movement. And I would like to demonstrate that for you right now, but first let me tell you how I do it. So start out by relaxing your hand at your side. Now we're going to bend it at the elbow, bringing the forearm up like you're about to shake somebody's hand. And now we can put a stick in there and close the grip around it. This is the starting position. Now here is the stroke. The elbow swings out, the forearm goes up, and the hand goes down. The return motion is the exact opposite of the striking motion. The hand goes up, the forearm goes down, and the elbow goes back down to the side. Okay, let's look at it in time. So that is it. Now I'm going to pick up the tempo and loosen my grip to allow motion to occur in my hands. You will notice the arm movement lessens quite a bit. But what I want you to look for is how the motion of my arm is still involved in every stroke and at the core of every note I play. So there you go. And I have to tell you, I'm really interested to know if any of you have ever tried this fundamental arm stroke without the motion in the grip. And if not, how about trying it now? I think it's good to know whether your stroke is working for you or against you. So if you find this interesting, I'm going to run it back in slow motion so you can get a closer look.